A lot of talk today about the suicide of Twitch, who worked as Ellen's DJ and executive producer and then killed himself on Monday. This man was so beautiful. He was talented. He was beloved. He had 3 children, a beautiful wife. And we think to ourselves, how could this happen? He did not fundamentally feel he mattered to anybody. He did not fundamentally think anybody would really care. He figured people would wake up the next day either thinking, oh, well, Twitch is gone, or else they might think, oh, thank goodness Twitch is gone. That's what goes through the mind of a person who offs themselves. So how can they think that? How can they think that they're not beloved or important? Well, that's the illness. And these are the questions that we need to ask people to keep them alive. There's 3 good questions to keep your children alive, your spouse happy, and your co-workers engaged with you. And the first question is, what don't you like about me? Now, people may not be willing to tell you, but your children might and your partner might, so you can keep them alive. What don't you like about me? Related to that is, how have I hurt you? That's another really good thing to know. How have I hurt you? And finally, what could I do differently to help you feel loved enough? If somebody had helped Twitch to talk about these things, he would still be alive. But he was an incredible entertainer. And his art was all about creating joy and pleasure. So that's the world he lived in. He didn't want to live in a world of complaining. And I'm sure that he, having such a peaceful countenance, would not have wanted to tell people what he didn't like about them or how they might have hurt him, or to be able to access what he would need to feel loved. So this is the path for us as analysts and analytic thinkers, is to be able to ask the hard questions.